Hi guys, it's another Minecraft video. Mine Mario. And today I do not know what point I am on. Okay, I need to pause this. Oh my gosh. Okay, sorry if you might fall. Alright, so that is much better. Better. Even better. Even more better. Even worse. Even more better. Right, okay. That's so much better than I expected. Okay, now I'm seriously freaked out myself. Sorry. Never dig down, not through. There's like So now I basically see. Where am I, guys? Right, okay. I'm going to need some dirt, and I do not know what point on the day I am at. So I basically build the tower up and up until I cannot jump, and then I carry on, and then I'm at my little place with all the cool creeper blocks, and there. Now I'm at well, okay, where's the sun? Oh, it's going that way, okay. Right. Now I need my pickaxe. And I'll try and find some trees. I might have to go searching out forever, ever. So guys, now I need to find, what do I need to find? I forgot what I need to find. A signpost, yeah, that'd be nice. Oh yes, I can afford a signpost. Yes. Hooray. Okay. What's that? That is so not awesome. Not cool. Not cool. What the? Oh, it's a chicken. It's a chicken trying to get my.
How was it?
AT,
Yeah.
I phoned her earlier in the day to say, can we come and stop tonight?
Right.
And then I tried to phone up to say, hold on, I've changed my mind because I'm not feeling too bright. And then I couldn't get through.
Right.
And then when I did get through, she said, can I phone you back later? I just put my tea out.
Right. Okay. So everything's okay.
Yeah.
So that's what I'm typing. And on this one, my actual name's mine. So that's basically what I'm focusing on, and that's like really cool. Awesome. Minecraft is so awesome. Okay. We will need nothing. We can just stay here forever. That's why some of my Minecraft worlds are so boring. But I've built a giant bomb in the creative world and I exploded myself. I did. And I nearly made a fortified, so fortunate. And I've tried a minecart thing, I tried to follow all the steps, it didn't work. Like, no, why don't you work? Why don't you work? But it still didn't work, so I basically got even more boring, and boring, and boring, and boring, and boring. No, I don't know why I'm scared, because this is like
What?
oceans, right? The difficulty is low, so that means that I don't know why I'm worrying. Probably because I want to get my beddy ready. So actually, I am going to try and survive the night. Like actually not in my bed. No, I have done this before, but I'm not an expert. No, this is my other place I made. It's got a little furnace. got anything I need to cook. Oh yeah, I've already cut something. Put that in. We're cooking dinner. Yeah. A guide and meat is actually not needed in Lucifer. And I made this thing that's come up that you play Minecraft and it's absolutely peaceful mode, but then if you actually manage to cut to the end of the earth or something and die, then you have to or like stay underwater for too long, you have to like delete the whole world. Even though it's actually disappeared, you still need to delete it. Now you're wondering why I've got like 1/2 of that. It's because I have actually a leather top on for my armor, but I have no idea why I mind dying during it. But yeah, I love taking snow off stuff. It's so awesome. As I keep saying, Minecraft is so awesome. With the, I don't know. I don't like night. It's too scary. I'm gonna keep torches. Hey, I remember saving it for a bucket or something, because I'm not an expert at this stuff. But I do love Minecraft. I actually fought a creeper. I closed all the doors. Closed everything. Closed everything. Totally. And 3 zombies appeared in my house when I was running away from creepers in the daytime. So there's like 3 creepers chasing me. But usually I actually went, there's a creeper right next to my precious pig. And then I went, actually, I'm brave enough to kill it and then just chopped it. Totally. So where is the sun? Where's the sun? Where's the sun? Where's little Sunny?
Yeah.
Where are alright.
There's
the sun. And I'm gonna die.
Come to eat them.
I might just run to my bed, but actually, I'm gonna show you.
If you don't want to eat them, put them in the freezer. I'll eat them.
Cool, surviving at night time. I usually use my flint and steel, but I've not got it on this file. So I'm gonna. No, I don't want to mine anything. I'm just gonna survive. I really want to go home. I want to go home. Because it takes a bit dark. Even it takes a bit before I get to my home. I have to survive. And then dark misery. Oh yeah, it's gone a bit dark. So sorry, I can't go. No, I actually look up here. I can actually see the darkness. And I absolutely love the dark. I love the dark. Okay, the full moon. The moon is totally out. So I'm actually going to stay near my bed. But I'm going to show you what hunting at night time is like with no mobs. If there is actually a mob, then I'm going to soon run out of the place and go into my bed. Because hopefully the mobs won't be too near to me and I can get in my bed. But I have been convinced this is the worst. I don't know. Less than 10 minutes. Definitely. Okay, that's the torch. But I'm convinced that the lowest difficulty on the iPad is definitely peaceful mode. Now this is the night sky where we are all familiar with when you do not get to your home in time. And this is so awesome, absolutely. But you can actually sleep at night time. So when it is night time, but then you can leave your bed in the middle of the night if you wanted to.